Hello DIY mommies, welcome back. My today's DIY is creating a mini library for your little ones. In this pandemic, when they can't go out, trying something new with their old toys is always a good idea. So here, I created a library so that she would again like her books and love to read them one more time. Check this out. Finding Cinderella book. Okay, where's the Cinderella story? Let us search. Huh? You found the Cinderella? Oh yes, that's a Cinderella book. There was a
girl
named.
in the wall.
She lived with her. She lived with whom? She lived with her two stepsisters and stepmother. What is this, Naira? The glass shoe.
Order Cinderella. What did you order? Cinderella, bring me some biscuits. Cinderella, bring me. Correct. To get Cinderella helped the stepsisters to get ready. What did she do? She good for Cinderella. Lived with her too. Correct. And how about the stepsisters?